Today I'm going to walk you through how to back up your WordPress website using phpMyAdmin right on your local machine. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to safely export your site's database, an essential skill for protecting your site, migrating it, or restoring it if anything ever goes wrong. Let's dive in and make sure your hard work is always secure. First, we're starting at the very beginning, your local host. For anyone who's not familiar, localhost basically means the server running on your own computer. If you're developing your WordPress site locally before pushing it live, this is probably where everything lives. Make sure your local server software like XAMPP, WAMP, or MAMP is already running. Once you have that up, open your web browser and type localhost into the address bar. This will usually bring up a dashboard, and from there, you should see an option for phpMyAdmin. Go ahead and click into phpMyAdmin. Now, phpMyAdmin is a really handy tool that lets you interact directly with your site's database, the beating heart where all your posts, pages, and settings are stored. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming at first, we'll stick to exactly what you need. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of databases. Look for the one connected to your WordPress site. If you're not sure which it is, check your wp-config file for the database name, it'll match exactly. Once you've found and selected your WordPress database, you'll see a bunch of tables appear on the main screen. Each table is like a folder containing specific pieces of information. Now, to make a backup, we'll be exporting everything in one go. Look up at the menu bar at the top and find the Export tab. Go ahead and click it. This brings us to the export screen, where phpMyAdmin asks how thorough of a backup you want. For most sites, the quick export method is perfect, since it grabs the entire database, no fuss. SQL is the default format. That's exactly what we want, so no need to change that. Now, right below those options, you'll see an export button. Before we click it, take a second to double-check everything looks good. It's always worth that tiny pause. When you're ready, click the export button. phpMyAdmin will prepare the database dump, which might take a few moments, especially if your site has a lot of content. Be patient if you see a loading spinner. A Save File dialog box should pop up, letting you name your backup. This is a great time to be specific. Type in a name like WordPress Backup and maybe add today's date, for example, WordPress Backup 2022-09-15 SQL. It's a simple step, but naming your backups clearly can save you from lots of headaches later. After you've entered the name, just hit save. That's it, you've just created a full database backup. This file is your website's lifeline. If anything ever happens, you can restore your information by importing it back into phpMyAdmin. I recommend keeping this file in a safe location, maybe even on an external drive or a cloud service like Dropbox or Google Drive. Take a breath and give yourself a pat on the back. You've just learned how to export and back up your entire WordPress site database, a crucial part of any site owner's toolset, whether you're developing locally or prepping for a migration. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop me a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy backing up.